So in this quick video, we're going to have a look at how we can incorporate emojis or icons into parts of our Moodle page design. So we're going to scroll down here and we're just going to add a new activity or resource. We're going to add a label, which just allows us to insert a piece of text here. So on a Mac or a PC, you can use a shortcut to actually bring up the emojis window. So on the Mac, it's Control, Command, and Spacebar. And on Windows, it is the Windows key, hold that down, and then tap period. So we can search for different emojis here. So if we search for the stop sign, then we can find the stop sign, again, Control, Command, or the Windows key and period. And we can search again. We'll search for statistics, and then you can see we get these different graphs. We can pop one of those in. So these are really useful if we want to give students certain points to look at in our page, and we can put these right into the text frame that we have here. So the label is basically a simple text frame. So a few simple emojis that we can use there to animate different parts of our course. So we might have stop, statistics, and ideas. And these could be different things to kind of illustrate different headings that we've got within our Moodle class. The nice thing about the emojis is that we can also format them to sizes. So if we put them as a medium heading, then our text will increase size, but also our emoji will increase size to match that too. So we can have different heading sizes within our page. So that's how to add emojis into the type boxes in your Moodle pages, and so you can use these to kind of break up the text, add different elements in there. We're going to come down here and add another label, and here we're going to add some Fontawesome icons. Now you'll need to have the Fontawesome Icons plugin installed within Moodle, so you can check with your system administrator if you have that. With that installed, if we come to the Fontawesome cheat sheet, basically any of these different icons we can use within our Moodle pages. So I'm going to take this FA camera retro, I'm going to copy that text, and basically we're putting that within square brackets within this particular label. So if we save that and return to the course, then you'll see this camera pops up. And just like with the emojis, we can format that to a certain size as well. So if we want this slightly larger, we could select it as a larger heading size, and it will increase the size of that camera. So let's have a look at a couple of others here. So if we do a little search here, Command and F or Control and F on your web page, search for book, and you can see we've got address book there, and then we've got some other bookmarks and FA book here too. Just going to type it in. So you can see getting these nice icons. Now, one nice thing that we can do with the icons that we're putting in here, we'll come back, we're going to scroll down here, we'll pick this FA bar chart O, I'm going to copy this and we'll paste that in. We'll make this a little bit larger, save and return to the course. With these icons, if we come back in and edit, we'll type in statistics here. We can highlight the Fontawesome code here, drop this down, and we can give that a color as well. So for our emojis, they have a fixed color, but for our Fontawesome icons, we can actually color them as we want to within our Moodle page. So this popped up for me when I was chatting to someone about animating the content of their page a bit more. And it kind of fits in nicely with this example I'm going to show you now. And this is using the Atto snippets plugin to actually add in little bits of code in here. So I'm going to select this little spider's web here, which is the Atto snippet option here. And again, this is a plugin you can install within your Moodle, and it just contains a little bit of more complex code. And I'm going to pop in this accordion 1 snippet, and basically we're going to type in learning outcomes. And at the beginning of this, I'm going to pop in some code in here. So basically, I'm going to grab from here a list. So FA list will show us this bulleted list, or we've got FA list UL, actually we'll use this one. And basically between those square brackets, we can pop that in there and save and return to course. And you can see now we get that nice little list pop up, and then the learning outcomes, we can come back in and edit those settings, and we'll type in a short list And if we just finish the formatting off here, make sure we don't have any extra space at the bottom there, we'll save that, and you'll see now that if we turn our editing off and come back to this page, we'll have a nice collapsed menu here that we can open up. So we're basically reducing some of the complexity of our pages by being able to add in some more complex code. And again, using the Fontawesome icons here just to add a little bit more interest to that page. So I hope this is useful, gives you some ideas for how you can insert emojis or some of the Fontawesome icons within your Moodle pages. If you have any questions, then please do leave them below.